What's up, YouTube? Back at you guys with another video. Today, finally, we're getting ready to drop the 1972 Buick LeSabre off and get the top put on. So my buddy, he's got a shop, but he's gonna do this one at his house. That way he can have it pulled in the garage. Guys, as y'all can see, all my cars are moved. Everything's out of the way. We're good to go. And then I got the handy dandy car trailer right there. So we'll get this thing loaded up. We'll get it dropped off. I don't know how he feels about recording at his place of residence, but we might be able to get a little bit of footage for y'all. So y'all stay tuned. We'll see y'all in a minute.
She said, hey mom, day job, I don't feel it. I need race car, top down to match my ceiling. I don't have none.
Get it loaded up. Ain't nothing in the way on that side, huh?
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir. hanging off.
It's not hanging off.
Yeah, a little bit.
All of this on the trailer.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's good.
We're good right there. Because we don't want too much weight, remember?
Yeah.
You don't want it nose diving. I think we're good. Well, dang, I don't want it nose diving.
It's good. Think?
I mean, another car. Remember how truck on and air it up. I'm gonna go up a little bit, y'all, but you don't want it.
That's good.
What y'all think, guys? We ready to go? All right, guys. I gotta get the straps, and then we'll chain it down, and we'll get ready to go. Woo! All right, guys. We got it all loaded up. We're getting ready to go. We'll put it in trailer mode, and yes, sir. Roll out. It is hot. Look. 117. We're burning up. Oh my goodness. All right, guys, let me put the address in the GPS, and then we're gonna head on over there. All right, guys, we got her unloaded, man. We here at his property. Man, this trailer ain't turning right. Hold up. There we go. Trying to scoot back when I ain't blocking Nathan out of the way, but I don't want to block that other one either. We should be good right here.
Yeah.
All right, guys, it's freaking hot. We'll chop it up with Victor real quick and see what he's got going on in there, and then yeah, we'll get ready to go. Look, y'all, they just put the sunroof in this one. Man, that look good.
Hey, you can check in the top too.
Oh shoot, that's nice. Hell yeah. And then you just gotta do the material.
Yes, sir. It's just a headliner and the suede headliner. Very good.
That's gonna be suede.
Yes, sir.
Hell yeah. It's gonna look good. for sure.
Oh man, that's saved me, bro. Like, what's? I was like, man,
watch this.
hopefully those were with the gas filling. They gave me juice.
Yeah, it did help out when you hit the gas. That's crazy. We learned something new today.
Now seeing it, I was like, okay.
Yeah. Yeah, it don't seem too bad. Once I cleaned it all up, I was like, it don't seem too bad. Just trying to get.
I
like,
see
the
words,
ones-
bro.
The ones you were talking about right there. Like trying to get the staples on that inside piece, maybe, but.
I'll put on. We'll get it.
Hell yeah. For sure. I appreciate it, man.
All right,
Once
man.
y'all get finished up, man. I know y'all working.
Nah, you good.
We'll get
Ready
going.
to go.
Yeah. All right, thank y'all.
All right, man.
All right.